Okay, let's see if the Mazda RX8 will start after sitting a whole night unattended. And let's go. I don't even have my foot on the gas. Started right up. That is exciting.
Oh my lord. My first time hearing this Mazda RX8 start.
So it's nice that I don't have to keep my gas, my foot on the gas pedal now. Seems like it learned its fuel trims. I did delete the check engine light. I kind of thought that it's going to come back, and looks like it didn't. There's no check engine light on right now. Also, there is no belt, so basically the water pump is not spinning. But the surprising fact is, I had it idling like this for about an hour. It did not even overheat. It just stayed in the center there. It only wanted to go and overheat a little bit when I was trying to rev it above like 5,000 RPMs. Only then it slightly started to overheat. So that's kind of interesting. But the fans did come on and they were trying to keep the engine cool. So that is at least good. But I'm sure if I was driving it without no belt, maybe that would really heat things up. I'm not sure. Have not tested that, but now it looks like I'm gonna need to get a belt for it, and I need to get the alternator back spinning again. Obviously it does not spin right now, but it's idling smooth. Everything is good. Idling about 1,000 RPMs.
I think we should take a test drive after we put the wheel back on.
Yep, and we have to put the belt back on. Man, that's so fun. It creates pops and bangs, which is awesome.
It's so sick.
But anyways, guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.